how are you and your spiritual kingdom today? Removing, clearing, cleaning house, eradicating all these things that distract. Because Laodicea's problem is that they've got so much distractions that they are blinded, that they don't even perceive Christ knocking at the door to open and let him in. You see the parallels? So these stories that are recorded for us in the Old Testament are not simply historical recountings of events that occurred. They are that, but so much more than just that. There is a reason why God chose these stories, inspired them to be recorded, to be preserved, and it's important for us to be able to spiritually discern the reason and the lessons that we can learn. There might arise difficulties, discouragements, fears, but here we see Jehoshaphat's heart was actually lifted up above all these discouragements, fears, troubles, trials, and he actually did something. He took away the apostasy in the kingdom. Do you have things in your kingdom that distract you and cause you to crowd Jesus out? That's the question. That's the problem that Laodicea has. These false gods were removed. Today it might not be false gods as far as idols are concerned, but it might be anything else that takes the affection and comes between us and Christ.